Bugleweed, scientifically known as Lycopus virginicus, is a herbaceous plant that has been traditionally used in herbal medicine for various purposes. Here are some potential health benefits associated with bugleweed. Thyroid Health. Bugleweed is often used in traditional medicine to support thyroid health. It contains compounds that may inhibit the production of thyroid hormones, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with hyperthyroidism or an overactive thyroid. Anxiety and insomnia. Bugleweed has been used historically as a mild sedative and relaxant. It may help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and promote better sleep quality. Cardiovascular health. Some studies suggest that bugleweed may have cardiovascular benefits, including the potential to reduce heart rate and blood pressure. These effects could be beneficial for individuals with conditions like palpitations or mild hypertension. Bugleweed contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Bugleweed has diuretic properties, meaning it may increase urine production. This effect could be useful for promoting detoxification and reducing water retention. Menstrual disorders. In traditional medicine, bugleweed has been used to regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate symptoms of menstrual disorders, such as heavy bleeding and menstrual cramps. Antioxidant activity. Bugleweed contains antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall health. Gastrointestinal health. Bugleweed has been used traditionally to support digestive health and alleviate symptoms of gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating and gas. While bugleweed shows promise in various aspects of health, more research is needed to fully understand its effects and determine its safety and efficacy for specific conditions. As with any herbal remedy, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using bugleweed, especially if you have any underlying health concerns or are taking medications.